Presenting the Usha Maxx Air table fan. It is available in white, blue and red color variants. The Usha fan is driven by a powerful motor that gives a sweep size of 400 mm and air delivery of 85 cm, which makes it suitable even for large size rooms. With a motor speed of 1280 rpm, the fan ensures higher air delivery for more effective cooling. The 55-watt power consumption ensures that the fan delivers great cooling at a lesser voltage. The fan features aerodynamically designed semi-transparent polypropylene blades for better air delivery with low noise. The fan also has a powder-coated guard with 120 ribs for protection against corrosion. It comes with a 100% copper motor with an automatic overheat protector for a longer life. The fan also has an oil reservoir lubrication feature, which ensures prolonged life of the components. The Usha table fan features a unique pivot arrangement for uniform oscillation and tilting. The jerk-free oscillation ensures smooth and noiseless operation. This Usha table fan comes with a 1-year warranty. You can pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For delivery and installation, please refer to product detail page. Prime members get free delivery. For further information, visit the product detail page.